Bad Wolf is an independent production company that makes television drama and is based in Wolf Studios here in Cardiff. Each of the productions that Bad Wolf has made in Wolf Studios has enabled not just the studio but the community who work on a daily basis in the studio to grow. We open our doors to the local communities through our work with Screen Alliance Wales and make sure that we are opening up opportunities for people from all backgrounds and talk about the opportunities that there are here in order to ensure that the doors of Wolf Studios feel open to everyone. Bad Wolf's success and the scale of what we do now is unquestionably down to the production and creative communities and crew here in Cardiff and the help and support that we've had from the nation that has allowed us to do that. Building and seeing the drama in Wales grow has just been one of the highlights of my career. I am really honoured for Bad Wolf to be recognised as a thriving business.